Hadut lai phongot ki he pulit bat langrut kila syapun ke buram. Daka khusnam Meghalaya Governor's Police Medal bat Meghalaya Chief Minister's Police Medal. Kum kajing itu kajing syakri ka balong kanuksa. Kajing ai tilun bat kajing terekam kabatebit jongki. Ha kajing rakhe kajala ya ka Meghalaya de kabasan pusaw hak arpuway trek kala lingkan. Na pedeng kilai phongot kiba la syapun ke buram kat sangut ki he pulin kila yok pdiang ya Governor's Police Medal bat kat sangut ki wepat kila yok pdiang ya Chief Minister's Police Medal. Na pedeng ki bala yok pdiang ya Chief Minister's Police Medal ki kentup ya uba Herbert P. Kharkongor uba lalam khamat ha kaba penlong ya kajing toket halor ka kam penyap beriu kaba pau bha jong Raja Raghuvanshi. Uba Herbert, uba batkum USP City ke East Khas Hills, haga puar berpenong ya kajing toket menta, ula syak thong kum USP berpura jong ka West Khas Hills District. Kibala yok pediang ya ke khusnam Governor's Police Medal arja arpung rio, Shailendra Bamania, IPS Superintendent of Police, South Garo Hills, Bakmara, Ivan B. Dingdo, MPS Additional Superintendent of Police, East Khasi Hills. Torit D. Sangma, MPS Assistant Inspector General of Police, Meghalaya Shillong. MR Marak, MPS Deputy Superintendent of Police, CBPSER Shillong. S. Bhattacharjee, Station Officer, Fire and Emergency Services, Meghalaya Shillong. Ravi K. Sangma, MPS Additional Superintendent of Police, North Garo Hills. Anil Kumar Rai, UB Sub-Inspector, Meghalaya Police Academy, IT Lang Marbanyang, WPUB, Inspector Special Branch Shillong. Selwyn A. Sangma, UB Inspector, East Garo Hills. Sanjay Kumar Shil, Assistant Sub-Inspector, 5th MLP Battalion, Samanda. Daniel D. Dakar, BN Constable, 3rd MLP Battalion, Sabseng. Jacinta S. Marak, WP Sub-Inspector, South Garo Hills. Evantinus L.T. Pochen, UB Inspector, Anti-Infiltration Directorate, Dipenbora, MPRO Headquarters, Shillong. Yarbos Dhar, BN Constable, 3rd MLP Battalion, Sabseng. Kibayok pediang ya khusnam Chief Minister's Police Medal arja arpungrio. Francis B. Dunn, BN Constable, 3rd MLP Battalion, Sabseng. John C. A. Sangma, MPS Deputy Superintendent of Police Headquarter, North Garo Hills. Pranab Hajong, UB Constable, Crime Branch, Ampati. MD Kharkongor, UB Constable, ENTS, PS Shillong. Binay Kumar Ram, Havildar, 5th MLP Battalion, Samanda. Reynald P. Nonghulu, Constable Operator, Ribhoy Nongpa. B. Chakraborty, AB Sub-Inspector, 1st MLP Battalion, Mauyong. Godfrey Sujai, Assistant Sub-Inspector, 4th MLP Battalion, Sopian. Risham Bagdas, Station Officer, East Giant Hills, Klirian. Panbor Karbangar, UB Sub-Inspector, Special Branch, Shillong. Haider G. Momin, UB Inspector, 2nd MLP Battalion, Goragre. GAL Marshallong, MPS Deputy Commandant, 6th MLP Battalion, Umran. Jason Myram, MPS Additional Superintendent of Police, West Giant Hills. B. Kharjana, MPS Additional Superintendent of Police, Southwest Khasi Hills. Herbert P. Kharkongor, MPS Superintendent of Police, West Khasi Hills.